The world's biggest chicken meat exporter has declared an animal health emergency following its first ever detection of the H5N1 virus in birds. And experts say the virus is now capable of spreading to wild mammals and human beings as well. Our next report getting you the details.
The world has seen an unprecedented number of bird flu outbreaks since 2021. A virus which has affected more than 80 different bird species. Now, Brazil seems to have come under attack. The South American nation has detected its first ever cases of the H5N1 virus. The government has declared an animal health emergency for 180 days, after detecting 7 cases in Espírito Santo state and 1 in Rio de Janeiro state. The Agriculture Ministry has set up an emergency center to counter the virus. Although the World Organization for Animal Health says that the H5N1 infection in wild birds does not trigger trade bans. A single case of bird flu can result in an entire flock being killed. This can easily trigger trade restrictions from importing countries. You see, the new cases of bird flu are a big concern for Brazil, as it is the world's biggest chicken meat exporter. In 2022, Brazil punched in over $9.7 billion in global sales. The government is now afraid that the avian flu could infect commercial flocks. How does the virus spread to other birds? The virus can spread through saliva, nasal secretions, feces, or through contaminated feed. Brazil is witnessing the virus, which was first discovered in China. Scientists say the virus has mutated and can now be seen spreading to wild mammals, like seals, otters, dolphins, wild dogs, and foxes. The World Organization for Animal Health says that the H5N1 avian influenza may become better adapted to mammals and soon spill over to humans. This might soon come true, as the WHO says that 870 people were infected over the past 20 years. This also led to 457 deaths. So what can we do to tackle a probable outbreak? Vaccination is an option. China has been vaccinating its domestic poultry, but other countries avoid it because it's difficult to judge which bird is immune and which one's not. Strict export controls are also imposed on vaccinated flocks. Thus, they cannot be sold abroad. Despite the commercial drawbacks, countries like France, the Netherlands, and the US have begun trials of new vaccines. Will humans also need to get vaccines for bird flu? Will Brazil be able to stop the spread of the virus? We will have to wait and watch. Viewer Report, WION World is One.
WION now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the updates on the move.